So let me get started. The event has been marked as exceptional and momentous in post-war philosophy and theory. The recent spate of exhibitions, books, and conferences commemorating May 68 from the hindsight of 50 years has reiterated that exceptionalism as period nostalgia, political flashpoint, revolutionary reboot. Eventalness, distinguished by singularity, rupture, disruptive synthesis, the break, the interval, the void, the moment, coalesces into a grand aporia of the political. What does it mean to take exception to this exceptionalism of the political, a politics worthy of the name, as Derrida and others have been fond of saying? They call it a politics worthy of the name. Félix Guattari's writings on micropolitics and ecosophy answer this on the oblique by scoring sensate environments, intensities of power and desire, the viscosity of social atmosphere, psychic pulsations and drives. These sensible materialities blur the heroic outlines of epic that structure theories of the political, derailing perception of what politics is or where it happens, opening up other ways of naming the matter of politics, which, as Arndt mentioned, was a concern of my book, Unexceptional Politics. And in fact, in many ways, this lecture I think of as a kind of coda to the book. Though in the book, I in no way consciously set out to address the legacy of 68. It now seems clear that my notion of unexceptional politics in a post-Occupy context in New York City, which was when it was forged, was positioned in relation to the exceptionalism of 68, and I'll get into why. So to approach 68 as an exceptional event involves asking, against the remit of historical factualism, what is it that continues to haunt our political dreams under the sign of Les années 68? This was the subtitle of a very interesting book on Maurice Blanchot's 68 years. Came out quite recently. And we see that this term, the 68 years, gained traction as the time signature of a theory event, what I would call a theory event, defined by its indeterminate historical status, its unfixing from specific dates or contained timelines.